Okay, so now we're gonna play a very famous game, Teacher Says, with a twist. So, watch me as I do it. Teacher says, touch your nose. Teacher says, touch your ears. Touch your cheeks. Ah, no, I didn't say teacher says. So now that they know the body parts with the practice phase, we're moving on to the perform phase. Okay, so teacher says, touch your nose. Teacher says, touch your ears. Touch your chin. You're eliminated. I didn't say teacher says. So now we're playing student says. So one by one, you're gonna tell me what to do. So let's start with Heather.
Okay. A student says, touch your nose.
Student says, touch your head.
Student says, touch your knees.
Sit down.
Touch your head. Student says, touch your toes.
Touch your wrist.
Stand up. Eliminated.